Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Welcome to part 3 of the stock from outside TikTok trend edit tutorial. In this part, we will add ripples, shakes and blur effects to give the edit dynamic motions. So let's get started. First on clip 1, just add a ripples effects. Like this. Set the durations like this. Like this. And then go to objects and then just choose all videos. And then add keyframes at the start and the end. Like this. And then at the first keyframe, just set speed to 12. And then just set twist to 90. Like this. And then at the last keyframe, just reset anything to 0. Like this. Next, let's add shake effects. Still at the clip 1. And then just set the durations like this. Go to objects and then all videos like this. And then add keyframes at the start and end. And then at the first keyframes, just set the speed into 100 and then intensity to 15. Like this. And then at the second keyframes, just reset anything to 0. Like this. And next, let's add oblique blur. Still add on clip 1. And then just set the durations. Just make it shorter than the shake effect. Like this. And then just go to objects again and then all videos. And then add keyframes at the start and end of the effects. And then at the first keyframes, just set the blur into 100 and then rotations into 100 too, like this. And then at the middle, just set blur to 50 and then set the rotations into 100. And then at the last, set blur into 0 and then rotations into 100, like this. And then just duplicate these effects and then apply it across all clips, and then just duplicate the effects 4 times for each clip to amplify the impact. And the final video will look like this. Like this. And that's it for the part 3. Dynamic effects are now in place. And in part 4, we will focus on transitions and animations to connect the clips smoothly. And okay, maybe that's it. See you at the part 4.